Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Elouris Anti Cellulite Massager. You should buy this product or not. What are the major red flags? Why you should not purchase this product? Okay, so in this video I'm going to cover each and every information. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to tell you Elouris Anti Cellulite device is not a unique device. Okay, and this is a newly launched brand, Elouris. And if we talk about, like you can see over here, this product is easily available on amazon.com and with the name of like Milo Cellulite Massager. And there is one more website like Elouris Cellulite device, you can select massager. And you can see over here there is a website like you can see over here Pure Health anti-cellulite device, and there is one more website like Vanilla anti-cellulite device, and there is one more website like Elouris anti-cellulite Massager. Okay, so the basic thing I want to tell you, there are lots of websites who are selling same kind of product. Okay, and if we talk about problems, the first problem is like return and refund. When you purchase any product on these kind of websites, there is no guarantee if the product is damaged you will get your money back or not. Okay, because these kind of website does not provide any kind of customer support, and after purchasing product you are going to regret why you have purchased product. If you are facing any issue related to product, like working issue, like any issue, you are not going to get your money. And if we talk about like reviews, all the reviews is stolen from other resources of internet. You can see over here there are all the reviews is stolen from other resources. You can see these kind of reviews is easily available on internet, and they have stolen all the images from, you can say, like internet. Okay, so the thing is like you should buy or not. So if you really want to try, then you can go with amazon.com or amazon.uk, and you can see the rating is very bad. Okay, and you can also see over here the rating is not too good, so it means the product is not worthy. My recommendation is not with this product, and this is the information. Now if you have any experience, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comments will helpful for lots of people, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.